Hi, this is Vijay from Lavin. Has your CNC machine's performance reduced drastically? If the answer is yes, keep watching this video to understand why do CNC machines age. CNC machines are incredibly accurate and precision-made machines that are used in a variety of industries. However, like any machines that can wear down anytime despite having an average lifespan of about 10 years. In today's video, I will be briefing you about what causes CNC machines to age. Heat. One of the main reasons CNC machines age is because of the heat they produce. The motors and other components inside the machine can get very hot and this can cause damage over time. Dust. Another reason CNC machines age is because of the dust they produce. This dust can get inside the machine and cause wear and tear on the components. Vibration. CNC machines produce a lot of vibration and this can cause damage over time. The vibration can loosen screws and other components, and it can also wear down the bearings in the machine. Lubricants and coolants. The lubricants and coolants that are used in the machining process can also cause wear and tear on the machine. Now, how do you extend the life of your CNC machine? Regularly clean the machine and its components. Keep the machine oiled and clean. Check the gears and motor bearings for wear and tear. Disassemble and lubricate mechanical moving parts as and when needed. Check all the wirings for problem and replace as necessary. CNC machines are a valuable resource and it is important to take preventive steps to extend their lives. To learn more about CNC machines, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.